story is usually told starting from the beginning, but sometimes it's better to start from the end. These are some of the vessels that recently came out of our shipyard. Over more than 50 years of experience, Nodosa Shipyard have built more than 300 ships. They're built with the quality, technology and experience of a great company. Let's go back to find out more about us. We invite you to tour our facilities and divisions to discover more about our company. We are located in Galicia, northwest Spain. We have 3 production sites along the estuary of Pontevedra. The factory is in Vídeo, the shipyard in Mara, and the mechanical workshop in Pontevedra. When someone asks us what we do, our first reply obviously is to build, maintain, repair, and modernize vessels. But we do more than that. We actually make our customers' dreams to come true in the shortest possible time. People at Nodosa strive to do it to the best our client has ever imagined, regardless it's building or repairing ships, adding all the time a plus of quality, commitment and innovation. We do all of the processes at Nodosa, from designing and engineering a vessel made of aluminium or steel to its complete construction and delivery. Repairs can also be carried out at our facilities, both on the slipway and afloat, or even anywhere around the world. On the other hand, our industrial division at Nodosa Group complements the naval one, providing solutions to many other industries such as granite, oil, wind power, or aeronautics, always with the greatest efficiency and absolute reliability. As you can see, the versatility of our services spans over a broad range, always caring that we maintain our company's standards, which are quality, an added value for the company, and a question of reliability for our clients. The most prestigious international certifications on the matter say so, not us. Safety is always our focus as we aim at minimizing risks during production processes. That's the reason why we have our own safety department, but nonetheless high external services supported by the corresponding certifications to deal with occupational health and safety items. One of our priorities is to take care of and preserve our environment. We follow the most comprehensive norms in environment management. Pushing it one level up, we brought our structures for quality, environment and health and safety together to create a single global quality management structure. Our R&I department is always seeking solutions for the incoming market's needs. The naval and industrial fields never stop innovating, and we move forward with them, always striving to be a step ahead. It is both thanks to our long trajectory and to our constant evolution and the capability to face great projects that we are a reference in the naval field. As we pointed out earlier on, we have 3 main production facilities in the estuary of Pontevedra. Material is stored, classified and cut at the factory. Oxy-fuel or plasma cuts are used. That's where we pre-bend it and do a lot of metal manufacture, boiler works and blocks processes. We also build there some small vessels. At the shipyard, we have a big working area with different warehouses by the docks, 6 slipways, one of which converts to a dry dock, and several quays to perform all of the processes from construction, assembling and pre-installation of all the equipment on the blocks to the completion of the final result, launching and delivery of the different vessels that we can build. Our technical and engineering department one of the most equipped and prepared among the field, looks after every detail in all processes all the time. Our mechanical workshop lets us provide all kinds of assistance, from horn manufacturing, propeller or rudder shafts manufacturing, to the mechanization of all kinds of pieces and ship's elements. With this global plan, Nodosa has all the required personnel and guilds to develop a complete service for our clients. At this point, you already know the wide infrastructure available at Nodosa, but you may be wondering what type of vessels we build. Tugboats, rescue vessels, port services boats, dredgers and workboats, multi-function vessels, offshore, oil platform support and supply vessels, all types of fishing vessels, cargo vessels, mega yachts and special sailing vessels, ro-ro, ferries, passengers vessels and submersibles, auxiliary vessels. As you can see, a wide catalogue that shows diversification in our production and our experience in the field. We must also say that Nodosa built ships for other shipyards too, which shows our competitiveness, maximum quality and reliability, regardless if it's the specific block, a part of a ship like the hull or the superstructure, or delivering a turnkey vessel. Did you know that more than 150 ships on average come to our shipyard each year for maintenance, repair, refitting or upgrades, always providing our good know-how to each job? And here we have to mention one specific kind of intervention that makes us feel especially proud. We are the Spanish shipyard credited with more lengthenings on all kinds of ships than any other. Don't forget that we are open for business 365 days a year for our global naval maintenance services, always striving to provide fast and reliable solutions in Mara or anywhere around the world. Our industrial division provides solutions for different fields: chemical, mining, oil, wind power, rail, wood, civil construction, arts and crafts, and above all the others, granite, as we produce the most cost-effective granite cutting machines in the world of our own design and patent. After this tour around our facilities and the processes developed in them, it's been shown how experience, quality, production capacity, cutting-edge technology and innovative way of thinking back us up in what we do. We have been proving it for more than 50 years, but for us, that's not enough. That's why we strive to improve every day, to provide the best service to all people who trust us.